Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD Beta video. We are on version 11.4.3. We are doing complex lefts today. So I'm going to engage my FSD over here. And right now when the blue steering wheel is on, that means it's on. It's going to wait over here for just traffic to cross by, and then we're going to turn left. Okay, so these are very complex left turns. There is a median over here that is represented by the occupancy network, as you can see soon when we stop at the stop sign over here. There we go. Now it doesn't really show it over here, but on the other turn it does show it. I'm gonna disengage because it's kind of going incorrect here. Incorrect safety critical disengagement. Now we don't really have it on. Okay, here we go. It's gonna stop and wait for cars. There are cars coming up from our left hand side. That was a very safety critical wrong release there that we got just the first try. Let's see. Then these cars are coming in very high speed as well, and we've got cars coming in from the other side, but we should be able to park ourselves right in the median. Let's see if it goes. It's very timid over here. It's actually checking also for the right hand side, and once it's clear, it's going through that. Okay. Alright, so we kind of waited for both sides to be clear and then go ahead. I am going to circle around and do this one again, and then we're going to go to another location and do those as well. So stay tuned, and please hit like on my video. The more likes I get, the more better my video gets views, and the more better I show these cases for folks, and it reaches out more people. So please hit like and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. There's a lot of folks that watch my videos but don't actually subscribe or hit like, so that makes me a little bit sad, but this is reality. Alright, so I'll speed you up, guys, to the next to the second try over here. Okay, at this case you can see someone stopping at the median over there. So that's what I was hoping FSD is going to do, but it's actually not doing that for this turn, which is weird, even though we do actually have the space for it. Let's see how this truck's going to tackle this left turn. And if you see next to the stop sign, there's also a sign next to it for the incoming cars on the left-hand side coming in from the left. And that actually occludes our vision a little bit. I can imagine even with the B-pillar, it's kind of hard for it to see that. Let's see how it does this time around. It is stopping. It was going to go ahead, but the car in front of us was in the median. Let's see, after these two cars, it should be free now to go ahead. Let's see how it does this. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, it's a little bit jerky, much more jerky than before, to be honest, but interesting. I am going to turn around and do this one more time. Alright, this is our third try now. Let's see how this goes. So it's going to stop. It shouldn't really proceed over here. It should wait. It's creeping a little bit forward, and I don't like that behavior. But after this truck, or this SUV, we should be in the clear to go. Now there are cars coming in from our right-hand side, and it stops. Awesome. And it actually proceeds after that, which is kind of odd, right? But now, like, the cars are not actually that, weren't actually that close, but it wanted to double check that while it's stopping in the median. Very interesting behavior. So it does actually stop at that. Okay, we're gonna circle around and we're gonna go to the next turn, and that's gonna be an interesting one as well. So this is another turn on our way to that other turn that I want to go to. Yeah, it's a good test also to see how FSD is going to do over here. It has to creep in a little bit more forward, to be honest. So yeah, here's the creep, and then should stop here. Should stop. Ooh, yeah, no, I'm gonna disengage for that. Critical disengagement, unsafe release to intersection. Now I am going to try and engage it again, just over here. Oh, nope. And it's really trying to get in the middle of traffic here, and I'm not really happy with that, and I'm not going to let it do that, to be honest, because that's improper way of driving. All right, stay tuned, and we'll get to the next destination. I'll skip you forward over here. Okay, so here we are coming up to our second area of complex left turns. Here's some incoming traffic coming in. And it didn't really give it a lot of room, to be honest. So that was a little bit shitty. Excuse my language. So yeah, so cars coming in from the left and from the right. This time we've got the median actually highlighted in blue. So it's clear on the left, should be able to do this. And yeah, it's a straight through drive, easy one. So circle around and do another one. Okay, this is our second try now. Let's see how this goes. Cars are coming in from our left-hand side. FSD can see them right now. Slows down and is going to actually enter to the median and park there, I think. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, it's clear. So I'm going to pull up my camera here. It's going to stop at the median. And you can see how close this is on the right repeater over there. And once that car goes, it's clear. And it could go ahead. Awesome. Very good. This is textbook stuff. Really, really nice. I really enjoyed that. That was a really good maneuver. Awesome job, FSD. Alright, let's see how this turn goes. Ooh, we've got some pedestrians and we've got an incoming car. This is a very tricky situation. The car's going to have to creep a little bit forward. Creeping. And we just give it a little bit of a tap. That's all I did. And then let the cars through. Ooh, it's got to stop. It's got to stop. There's a car coming in from the left. Once this car comes in, then we should be able to go. And it's a smooth sailing one. Okay, I'll redo this again because this was too easy. And again, folks, if you like my videos, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. Okay, so in this case, FSD is kind of confused. Alright. Let's see how it gives way for this car. So I'm very excited for 4.4 is actually going to have little bit better judgment on giving spacing and stopping for cars, like similar to what happened here, but probably much more improved. Now in this situation, there is a car turning into our area over here, and that went very nicely. Let's see if there's no traffic. It's gonna go ahead. There is a car coming in from the right, a little bit fast, but it was on the second lane, so all good. Another one, smooth sailing. I'm gonna repeat this one again. Okay, in this situation, we've got a truck that wants to turn in, and we want to turn into the left, so let's see how this goes. Trajectory looks good. Whoa, and yeah, a lot of confusion there. It didn't know where to go. Wow, that was weird. That was a weird one. Fourth or fifth try, I think, right now. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully we'll get some traffic. I really would like it to take a little bit more of an edge or a better positioning over there. Okay. Slow start over here. Lots of traffic left and right. So this is a good situation here. There are a few cars coming in from the left-hand side that want to turn in. So it should be able to creep forward now. There's still a bus coming in. This person changed their mind. They want to go straight ahead again. Whoop. And here we go. There's the commit. It's so that there's a truck coming in, and it had to do a decision very quick, and it just committed because there was nothing on the right hand side as well. I'll circle around again. I really want to get myself into the median again, so I'll circle around again and let you guys get that opportunity to see it again. Okay, in this case we have a car turning in as well from the other side. Our car is going to creep in just a bit. It should stop, to be honest, just for that car to come in. There we go. And it's kind of empty on the left hand side. Oh, and also on the right hand side. Ah, well. Alright, I'll do one last time, and hopefully we get some proper median stoppage. Alright folks, here we go again. I think this is going to be my last attempt. Now, if you want to see the same turn with aerial views from a drone, I'll link my my video for that over here. I got a buddy of mine to do that, to help me out, and it actually shows a really good representation of this intersection and the spacing. So I'll link that up as well, and you guys can watch it. Alright, let's see. We're getting some really high speed cross traffic over here. Let's see if it's we're going to be able to land a median. It's going to have to creep forward now. There's one more car. There's one more car. That's the one highlighted in blue. And here comes another car as well. Another car. Oh, we missed it. We missed the traffic. And this car wants to turn in. In this case, FSD is not gonna risk it. It's gonna wait and make sure it does actually turn in. And as it's turning, we actually make the move. So yeah. Alright, good job. I think we got one nice median stop. That'll be probably the highlight of the video. If you folks have been watching so far on Patreon, I'll be posting my full unedited video. I always do that with every video. I have an unedited, like, extended version video, so you folks can enjoy that as well. And yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my video for the algorithm of YouTube. And yeah, we'll see you folks in the next one. Hope you folks have a nice day.